In this video, let's see what is expression set, which is a part of business rule engine framework. This is a learning path. If you want to learn business rule engine, we have started with the previous one of the video, what is the concept of business rule engine, and one sample use case we have seen. In next to that video, we have seen what is the concept of decision matrix, and I have shown you how to create decision matrix step by step. Then in the previous video, I have explained you step by step how to call decision matrix in integration procedure, and now we will be learning what is an expression set concept with the help of one use case that I will explain you step by step. Highly recommend to watch previous videos to understand the complete framework business rule engine. So let's start with expression set. What is an expression set? It's a collection of expressions. Here expression may be any mathematical formula, calculation, any logical statement. For example, on the basis of one of the flag value, it is a true, false, maybe it's a number. We may have different branches like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So like all are expressions only, and collection of all these expression is nothing but expression set. We can add lookup table as well in the expression set. Lookup table may be decision matrix, which we have created in the previous video like this. We can add this lookup table in expression set. Let me start with one use case, and again we will come back to these points. Let's see one use case. Here business want to give shopping discount based on customer type. We are continuing with the same use case to align on all the concepts of business rule engine. So these are the rules which I have explained in all last previous videos. And if we want to create expression set, and we are going to use decision matrix in this expression set. So let's create decision matrix, which we already created in previous video. We created decision matrix, added all these rules in the decision matrix, and it is activated as well. Let me show you. So these are the rules. If customer type is diamond, discount percentage is 40. So all the rules are added. Decision matrix is activated here. And now it's ready to use in another component like expression set. Now let's see the second step then. Create expression set and add this matrix. Let's go to org. You should be in the business rule engine. If you are not, click on the 9 dots app launcher, type here business rule engine, or directly you can type expression sets. Then you will be able to see this UI. Here you can click on the new button, and let's create one new expression set. I can give the name shopping discount calculation. Usage type will be a default, and click save. Same as decision matrix, expression set will be created, and similarly you can go to the expression set version, same as decision matrix version. By default, one version will be created here of given expression set what we created. Click on this version. You will be directed towards the expression set editor. This is the expression set editor. Here we can design, add some more elements, and we'll complete our expression set requirement. Let me introduce with this editor. Here is the expression set, name of the expression set, version of this expression set. Here will be some buttons which will be enabled once we start adding the steps like simulate, activate, save as. If you want to save as the existing expression set, maybe as a new expression set, or maybe as a new expression set version. On the left side, you can see some more options like elements. These are the elements we can add in our expression set. If you want to create some variables, we can click on the add resource, and we can create the variable or constants. Then there is a setup. Here we can see the version name. If you want to add some description here, you can add like this expression is for shopping discount. You can mention like that. Start date, time, version number, rank. You have to mention. If you don't mention the rank of the expression set, it will give you an error when you will activate the expression set. So mention the rank of it. Below that, there is some more options. Once we add the element, we will be able to see some options here. So let's start. What we need to do, first of all, let's plan for it. We need to add this decision matrix what we created in the first step or in the last video. We need to add it. So how to add decision matrix? Here you are able to see this plus icon. Click, it indicates add component. Click there. We need to add the decision matrix. Decision matrix is a part of lookup table. Here you are able to see some elements like aggregate group, branch, calculation, conditional group, lookup table, sub expression. I want to add lookup table, so I selected it. What's the name of the lookup table? That you need to mention here. For example, what's the name? If you go back here, shopping discount business rule new. This is the name of the decision matrix, or I can say lookup table. You can copy it or you can type as well. In case if you are not able to see name of decision matrix or lookup table which you have created, then check whether the lookup table is activated or not. In case if it is not activated, activate it. Other way, if it is activated, then also you are not able to see here, then refresh this page multiple times, maybe hard reload you can do it, and then you can try again. You should be able to see the name of the activated decision matrix. Let's select this. The moment you select this decision matrix, it will show you input variable is customer type. It will be same as our decision matrix. Here input data is customer type, output variable is discount. Same will be displayed here as well. Input customer type, output is discount. The moment you will start adding the elements here, parallelly I would like to suggest save it. In case if some other element having error, it will be easy for you to identify after adding which step the error is coming. So parallelly keep saving the expression set. Just a suggestion for you. Now once we added this step, if you want to check whether this step is working or not, you can do the simulation. Let's click on the simulate button. Variables, customer type. As we know, we need to give the input. So customer type is the input. So let's give some input here. For example, gold. Click on the simulate. In the output section, you are not able to see anything. Okay, that we will check later on, but click on this element. It's showing us some output. For example, input is gold, customer type, output is 20%. Okay, it's working. You can see the output variable name something like this: shopping discount business rule new, and something is there. Okay, let me try to show you. I cannot. Let me go back. I can show you in the next step. What's the name of this output variable? It will be discount only, but it will be prefixed with the name of the lookup table. Now what I need to do next? For example, I need to store this discount percentage in some other variable. Like, let me create one variable. I need to store the discount variable in another variable. So I will say discount percent. You can give any variable name. I will say discount percent var. A data type will be percentage. So this will also percent. Done. Close this. Go here. Click on this add component plus icon. We need to do some mathematical operation here. What's the operation? Assignment. Assignment of this output of this table to my new local variable discount percentage var. So to perform this operation, I'm selecting here element as a calculation. Perform mathematical operation. Select it. In the formula, assignment is also one kind of operation, mathematical operation. In the formula, I will mention discount. Start typing discount. You will be able to see two options. Shopping discount business rule new underscore discount. This is the output of decision matrix. You will say how? Because decision matrix output will be prefixed with the name of the decision table. So shopping discount business rule new, this is the name of the decision matrix underscore output variable discount. Select it. Value of this output of the decision matrix I will be assigning to my local variable discount percent var, which I have just created. In this case, so discount percent var will store the value of this decision table output. Save it. As I mentioned, I added one step. Save it. Click on simulate. Pass some value as a customer type. Click on simulate. See, you are able to see here. First of all, output of the decision matrix 20%. I have assigned this to my new variable discount percent var, this way. But why you are not able to see here in the output section? Input is there, but output section is not showing anything. Let's go back. As I mentioned in the slides as well, we can select which element of expression set should return. So expression set is able to return some element, but we need to select it. So I want expression set should return this element, discount percent var. An element is this one, calculation. So for that, what you are supposed to do? Click on this element which I want this expression set should return. Click here, go to the last option. Here it will be shown include in output. What's the name of this element? Calculation. If we change here name, for example, I can say discount assignment step. Okay, I have renamed this element name like this, discount assignment step. Close this and click here. Once you click here, again go back here. Name is calculation. Here it's the name of the element is calculation. But what's the purpose? What's the step name? Discount assignment step. We are assigning discount here. I want this step should be written by the expression set. So I'm selecting here this checkbox, include in output. So whenever this expression set will execute successfully, whatever is the output, that output will contain this step. Let me show this. Click on save button, click on simulate, give some input. This time change the input. You can give any input which we have added here and simulate, and we can see here output discount percent var. This is the same output of this element. In case if you want to, just for showcasing, you want this also be part of the output, click on the element, select this checkbox, save it, simulate it again, and you will be able to see that as well. So output of the decision table and output of our assignment, discount assignment step, both are part of the output. But practically we need not to show output of the decision table. We go for only one output. So we go here and remove this and click on the save button. So this way we can select it. Already I have shown how to do simulation. And last step, always activate expression set. Why to activate? Because we are going to use this expression set in other components of Omni Studio, like in integration procedure. So I can save it and activate it. It's activated. Once it is activated, you cannot do any changes here. If you want to do changes, best practice, do the changes and save as new expression set version. So in this way, we can create the expression set. This way we can simulate it. If you want to add any element as a part of the output, we can select the checkbox. And this is all about the expression set. Last point, expression set always return its results in a node you define in the IP step. This we will discuss in the next video. Based on this discussion, we have created the expression set. We have added some elements. We selected the output element as well. And simulation I have shown you. We can give the rank as well. And then we have activated. Let me give one more information here. Suppose I want to add some conditional logic, so I can use this branch option. If I give the conditional group, I can use this conditional group. If I want to call another expression set in this expression set, so I can use this sub expression element and we can call it. So all this is about the elements in the expression set. Based on this discussion, please try for the sample interview questions. Feel free to comment your answer. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment your query in the comment section. In the next video, we will learn how integration procedure is calling expression set, the expression set which we created now, which is calling decision matrix. So we will learn this, how to add the expression set in the integration procedure in the next video. Thank you for watching.